welcome everyone. I'm Carl Hung, CEO of Season Group and SG Wireless. This is Coffee with Colleagues, a collection of conversations between myself and colleagues. Today, we have Case Bai, our engineering director from our Dongguan, China facility. Welcome, Case.
Hello, everyone. My name is Case Bai. I work at Season Components Company located in Dongguan City. I'm the Director of Manufacturing Engineering and take charge of the NPI VVE testing manufacturing engineering team. I have been in the new company just for 11 weeks. From Monday to Friday, I live in the company apartment and I go home at the weekend, which is just about 30 kilometers away from the company.
Okay. Welcome, Case. 11 weeks. It seems like it's a lot longer than that. I think we've been interacting quite a bit on a day-to-day basis. So it's been great having you on board. Can you take me through a day in the life of your current role?
Okay. Early morning, I arrive at the office before 8 o'clock and start to work. I go through the industry engineering team's daily report firstly, and about 8:30 o'clock, I will check the testing daily report to see the test yield by product, root cause analysis, and corrective actions for the failure. About 9 o'clock, I will attend the NPI daily meeting with the NPI engineer to review NPI project status. And at 9:30 o'clock, I will attend the daily check-in meeting with the whole operation team. And in the afternoon, I will review like bombs, eSIM, subsystem related things with data and the document maintain team. Then go through the continuous improvement projects, VV projects, packing cost reduction projects, and so on with the related engineers. Definitely, I will read and reply email timely, review and approve the purchase request timely if there is any. This is my one common day routine work.
But what do you do at home for fun when you go back to your family or in the dorm?
Oh, sometimes watch TV, sometimes go outside around the factory.
Okay, all right. Can you describe how you felt when COVID-19 first broke out?
Okay, at the beginning, it was terrifying. COVID-19 was spreading fast and the death rate was high. So every day you can know how many people have been infected and how many people have died. It was the first time in my life that I have experienced such a severe outbreak. In response to the government policy, people were required to be safely quarantined at home from February through April.
Yeah, and you joined us after COVID-19 broke out. So before, when COVID-19 first broke out, you weren't with us. But how are you feeling now? And do you feel safe at work right now?
I feel that China is a safe place right now in the world. It has resumed normal economic work since May, and the pandemic will be over soon. We also work safely in the factory. The company provides a mask to us free of charge daily, and everybody in the company checks their body temperature 5 times a day. And also we wash hands every day.
Okay, well, good. So what's motivating you to go to work each morning?
Economics, manufacturing, engineering is my specialty. I love my job and I have been working in this field for 23 years. Therefore, I'm able to build a professional and efficient team and lead them to constantly solve engineering and technical problem, optimize process, reduce cost, achieve the company goals, and create value to customers.
Yeah. And it's certainly with my interactions with you, I can certainly see your engineering mind where you love solving problems and analyzing the data and providing solutions, which is great for us. And so analyzing that, in what ways do you think life will be changed after this pandemic?
The impact of the pandemic is worldwide. Millions of people were infected and hundreds of thousands of people were killed. The world economy would be set back a decade, I think. The people of the world need to unite against the common enemy of plague. The company also need us to pull together to tide over the difficulties. We should cherish the present work and life.
Okay. Yeah, and certainly it's a bit scary saying that you think that the economy will be set back for 10 years. Hopefully that's not the case. Hopefully each country will come together and work together to actually open up the borders again and start trading and building up the economy, because we don't want people's living standards to continue to deteriorate after this pandemic is over. But what would be the first thing you want to do once the battle with COVID-19 is won?
I have a son who is 12 years old. I have always wanted to take him on a trip to Beijing city to see the Forbidden City, the Great Wall, and the Tiananmen Square. So I'd like to take my family to Beijing for a trip after this COVID-19.
Yeah. Well, certainly I think Beijing's a hot spot right now because the pandemic seems to be spreading out again over there. So we have to be very safe for that. But I think for some of our viewers, one of the key things about Beijing and the Great Wall is there's a special saying in Chinese that says that you're not, you haven't become a great man until you've walked the Great Wall. So certainly I think everyone must take their kids to visit the Great Wall at least once in their lifetime.
Yes.
And so at this point in time, what do you have to say to your fellow colleagues around the world?
Take care, everybody. Always keep yourself and your family safe during the pandemic, and the pandemic will be past soon. So enjoy your work and enjoy your life. Thanks.
Thank you, Case. That's it for us today. I just wanted to say that we appreciate you joining our company at this time. I think it took a lot of courage to join a new company in the midst of this pandemic, but we definitely appreciate the changes that you brought to the company, especially the engineering department. So thank you very much, and thank you for today.
Thank you, Carl. Thanks.